Hello guys, welcome to this video on the 5 best 3D printers for beginners. Please feel free to check out the links in description for the latest price and discounts of the products featuring in this video. The Monoprice Select Mini V2 is a budget 3D printer which is also extremely easy to use for beginners. The printer comes fully assembled and calibrated, so you can start printing right out of the box. Once you have your first project off the ground, it's easy to get more creative. With a heated build plate and wide extruder temperature range, this 3D printer can work with any 1.75mm filament type, including ABS, PLA, conductive PLA, wood and metal composites, and dissolvable PVA. This flexibility opens the door to a range of exciting new projects. This budget-friendly printer has a small build volume, but that also means a compact enough size to fit on just about any desktop. This printer may not have the fancy features of more expensive models, but it offers excellent value and versatility for its price. The Anycubic Photon Mono X is a 3D resin printer with a decent motor and nut combination that makes printing easy and smooth. This can creates high-quality MSLA prints quickly. You can use the upgraded Matrix Parallel to get a K-monochrome screen for a better 3D printing experience. It has dual linear rails, which reduces the risk of layer shifting. The print area is relatively large compared for its size, so it will fit easily into a home workshop or similar setting. It comes with a UV cooling system to get a stable printing performance. The product effectively cools down once printing is done, so that the manufactured object remains stable. This product also comes with an app remote control to get complete navigation and settings to print your favorite object. The Monoprice Voxel is a user-friendly 3D printer which allows to get into 3D printing without the steep learning curve. It features several automated functions that make it extra simple to use. The printer arrives fully calibrated and ready to print out of the box. An auto-leveling feature ensures that the build platform is in the right position, while an auto-feeding filament feature makes loading filament easy. The built-in sensor also recognizes low filament levels and pauses prints to notify you that it needs reloading. Once your creation is done printing, lift the heated, flexible, and removable build plate. This 3D printer features a closed design to keep hands away from hot and moving parts while it's printing. It is also Wi-Fi enabled, and its functions can be controlled and monitored through its color touch screen or through a smartphone, and you can check on printing progress through the window or with your phone via the built-in camera. The Elegoo Saturn MSLA is a resin 3D printer with relatively large build volume and an accurate printing process to create detailed and sizable resin models. Compared to FDM 3D printers, resin printers can print higher levels of detail, which is especially ideal for printing smaller models. Instead of injecting melted materials like plastic, resin printers use light to cure liquid resin into thin layers. This method allows for finer printing details and a smoother surface. This also prints faster than its predecessor, while still delivering excellent printing results. Setup is simple with this printer. An easy-to-calibrate build plate and a uniform light source creates great print results with few adjustments. Overall, this is best suited for beginners who want to take advantage of resin 3D printing. The Creality Ender 3 Pro is a beginner-friendly, affordable, and easy-to-use 3D printer, which comes with several attractive features. The printer arrives partially assembled with all the necessary tools included for easy setup. Loading the plastic filament is simple. Once assembled and switched on, the device is ready to print almost immediately, with a rapid heating feature that gets the printer ready to go in only 5 minutes. In case of any pauses in printing, it also has a handy resume print function, which restarts the job where it left off. The heated, removable, and flexible magnetic print bed makes it easier to remove completed models after they're finished printing, although users will need to take care when reinstalling the bed to make sure it's level. Overall, this 3D printer delivers great print quality and best suited for beginners looking to dip their toes into 3D printing. Thanks for watching, and let your comments be heard.